Ample storage capacity. The Frigidaire small upright fridge offers a spacious 3.2 cubic feet capacity, ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips. Keep all your drinks and snacks conveniently stored and easily accessible. Organized storage. The fridge compartment is equipped with 2 durable glass shelves, a can dispenser, a 2L door basket for large bottles, and a clear crisper bin for fresh produce, providing organized and easily accessible storage for all your items. Convenient freezer compartment. Enjoy the convenience of having a dedicated freezer compartment with ample storage space for your frozen items. User-friendly design. The compact fridge is constructed with 2 pull handles for easy opening and closing, along with a reversible door and flush back design for added flexibility to suit your space. Sleek finish. Featuring a sleek and durable platinum design with chrome trim, this small fridge freezer adds an upscale retro look that will elevate your space. Its compact size makes it perfect for your office, bedroom, dorm room, garage, or cabin. Its unique retro look and stainless steel finish offers modern appeal mixed with vintage flair. Equipped with reversible doors and pull handles for easy access, this mini fridge combines upscale style with practical finishes. Experience seamless placement and flexibility with its space-saving flush back design. This small upright fridge offers multiple storage options including a 2-liter door basket, integrated can dispenser, and clear crisper bin to keep your items organized and visible. Spacious storage with a 3.2 cubic feet capacity with a separate freezer compartment. This mini fridge offers ample room for all your drinks and snacks, while the full-size freezer ensures plenty of space for frozen treats.